Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home garden decor and design. Today, we delve into a design philosophy that champions simplicity, sophistication, and serenity, the minimalist modern garden ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. If you're seeking to create an outdoor space that exudes calm elegance without unnecessary clutter, then you've come to the right place. Let's explore the essence of this increasingly popular design approach. First and foremost, what exactly constitutes a minimalist modern garden design? At its core, this style is characterized by clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a deliberate selection of elements. It's about achieving maximum impact with minimal fuss. Think of it as the architectural principle of less is more applied to your outdoor environment. Instead of an abundance of colors, textures, and ornaments, a minimalist, modern garden focuses on a cohesive palette, strong geometric shapes, and the thoughtful placement of key features. Natural materials like stone, wood, and metal often take center stage, contributing to a sense of understated luxury. The emphasis is on creating functional and aesthetically pleasing areas that promote tranquility and a connection with nature, free from visual noise. Now you might be wondering, what are the tangible benefits of choosing a minimalist modern garden design for your property? The advantages are numerous and cater to both practical and aesthetic desires. Firstly, the inherent simplicity of the design often translates to easier maintenance. Fewer plants and features mean less time spent on pruning, weeding, and general upkeep, allowing you more time to actually enjoy your garden. Secondly, minimalist design fosters a sense of calm and tranquility. The absence of visual clutter creates a serene environment, perfect for relaxation and unwinding after a busy day. Furthermore, this style often emphasizes functionality. Each element within the garden serves a purpose, whether it's providing seating, defining a pathway, or creating a focal point. Economically, a minimalist approach can also be cost-effective in the long run, as it typically involves fewer materials and plants compared to more elaborate designs. Finally, a well-executed minimalist modern garden possesses a timeless elegance and sophistication that can significantly enhance the overall appeal and value of your property. So, how can you effectively decorate your minimalist modern garden? To achieve a look of refined beauty, the key here is to be intentional and strategic with your choices. Consider incorporating geometric hardscaping elements such as clean-lined patios, rectangular planters, or straight pathways made from materials like concrete, natural stone, or sleek tiles. Introduce water features with simple, modern designs, like a still pond or a wall-mounted waterfall, to add a touch of serenity and visual interest. Opt for minimalist outdoor furniture with clean silhouettes and neutral colors, focusing on comfort and functionality. Thoughtful lighting can dramatically enhance the ambiance in the evenings. Consider subtle uplighting to accentuate architectural features or pathways. Integrate sculptural elements sparingly to create focal points without adding clutter. Remember, each decorative element should contribute to the overall sense of calm and cohesion rather than detract from it. Avoid overly ornate or fussy decorations. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful minimalist modern garden. The best choices often feature strong forms, interesting textures, and a limited color palette, typically focusing on shades of green with occasional accents of white or subtle hues. Consider ornamental grasses like feather reed grass, like Calamagrostis ex acutiflora Karl Forster, or Japanese forest grass like Hakonecloa macra for their elegant movement and texture. Succulents and architectural plants such as agave, yucca, or sedum offer striking shapes and require minimal maintenance. Evergreen shrubs like boxwood like buxus or Japanese holly like Ilex crenata are excellent for creating clean lines and providing year-round structure. For ground cover, consider creeping thyme or moss for a low-maintenance and visually appealing carpet. Trees with clean forms, such as Japanese maple or Acer palmatum, with its delicate foliage, or a slender Italian cypress or Cupressus sempervirens, can add vertical interest without overwhelming the space. Remember to choose plants that thrive in your local climate and require similar care to maintain the garden's simplicity. To further inspire your own minimalist modern garden project, here are the top 10 best minimalist modern garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the linear pathway. This design hinges on the power of a strong, straight line. Imagine large, uniformly sized pavers made of smooth concrete or natural stone, laid out in a direct path. The spaces between these pavers can be filled with a low-growing, consistent ground cover like creeping thyme or gravel, further emphasizing the linearity. Alternatively, the pathway can be flanked by precisely planted rows of architectural plants such as upright rosemary or slender grasses, creating a sense of ordered progression through the garden space. The uncluttered nature of this design draws the eye forward, creating a feeling of spaciousness and intentionality. 2. The Zen gravel garden. Inspired by traditional Japanese rock gardens, this idea focuses on creating a space for contemplation and tranquility. The primary element is a bed of meticulously raked gravel or small pebbles, forming patterns that evoke the flow of water or the ripples of sand. Carefully selected rocks or boulders of varying sizes and shapes are placed as focal points, representing mountains or islands. A single, carefully pruned plant, such as a delicate Japanese maple or a sculptural pine, can serve as a central element, adding a touch of natural beauty without disrupting the overall serenity. This design minimizes plant life and ornamentation, encouraging a sense of calm and introspection. 3. The tiered concrete planters. This design utilizes the clean, sharp lines of concrete to create a dynamic vertical element. Imagine a series of rectangular planters constructed from smooth, unadorned concrete, each set at a different height. These tiers can be arranged in a step-like fashion or staggered for visual interest. The planting within these containers should remain minimalist, perhaps featuring a collection of drought-tolerant succulents with interesting geometric shapes, or a mass planting of a single type of ornamental grass that sways gently in the breeze. This approach adds architectural interest and allows for focused displays of plant life without overwhelming the garden. 4. The water wall feature. The soothing sound and visual appeal of moving water are central to this minimalist design. Picture a simple vertical wall constructed from a sleek material like dark stone, stainless steel, or even glass. Water gently flows down this surface in a smooth sheet or a series of delicate streams, collecting in a hidden reservoir below. The focus is on the clean lines of the wall and the uninterrupted flow of water. There are no ornate spouts or excessive ornamentation. This feature creates a calming focal point and can also provide a subtle ambient sound that enhances the tranquility of the space. 5. The minimalist deck with integrated seating. This design emphasizes seamless integration and functionality. Envision a deck constructed from clean-lined wooden planks or modern composite materials. Instead of freestanding furniture, bench seating is built directly into the structure of the deck, creating a cohesive and uncluttered look. A few carefully chosen potted plants in simple geometric containers can add touches of greenery without disrupting the minimalist aesthetic. The focus is on creating a comfortable and inviting outdoor living space that feels like a natural extension of the indoors, with clean lines and a lack of unnecessary elements. 6. The monochromatic green space. This design celebrates the beauty and diversity within a single color palette. Imagine a garden where various shades and textures of green foliage dominate. This can be achieved through a thoughtful selection of plants, including different types of ferns, grasses, ground covers, and shrubs, all within the green spectrum. The variation in leaf shape, size, and texture creates visual interest without the need for colorful blooms. This approach fosters a sense of lushness and tranquility, highlighting the calming and restorative qualities of nature. 7. The sculptural tree focus. This design uses a single striking tree as the primary focal point of the garden. The chosen tree should possess an interesting form, unique bark texture, or distinctive foliage. It is then surrounded by a simple and understated ground cover, such as smooth gravel, a carpet of moss, or a uniformly planted bed of a low-growing evergreen. The simplicity of the surrounding space ensures that the beauty and character of the tree are fully appreciated. This design emphasizes the natural artistry of a single element, creating a sense of quiet drama. 8. The outdoor living room extension. This design aims to seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. Picture a paved area adjacent to the house, utilizing materials that complement the interior flooring or architectural style. Minimalist. Outdoor furniture with clean lines and neutral colors is arranged to create a comfortable seating or dining area. A simple pergola overhead or a sleek privacy screen can define the space without adding visual clutter. The planting around this area is kept minimal and structural, perhaps using large, simple planters with architectural plants or a low border of uniform greenery. The focus is on creating a functional and stylish outdoor space that feels like a natural extension of the home's interior. 9. The herb and succulent grid. This design combines practicality with a clean, organized aesthetic. Imagine a grid of square or rectangular planters constructed from a consistent material like weathered steel, concrete, or simple wood. Each planter within the grid houses a different type of herb or succulent chosen for its unique texture and form. The grid layout creates a sense of order and visual appeal, while also making it easy to access and care for the plants. This design is both functional for those who enjoy cooking with fresh herbs and visually striking in its minimalist arrangement. 10. The illuminated pathway with ground cover. This design focuses on creating an elegant and safe passage through the garden, particularly during the evening hours. Picture a simple pathway made from stepping stones or a continuous paved surface bordered by a low-growing, uniform ground cover such as creeping thyme, sedum, or mondo grass. Subtly placed, in-ground lighting fixtures illuminate the pathway from below, creating a soft and inviting glow without any harsh or obtrusive light sources. This design emphasizes clean lines during the day and transforms the garden into a subtly dramatic space at night, highlighting the textures of the pathway and surrounding greenery. Embracing a minimalist modern garden design is about creating an outdoor sanctuary that is both visually stunning and incredibly functional. It's a testament to the power of simplicity and the beauty of well-chosen elements. We hope these insights and ideas have inspired you to consider a minimalist approach for your own garden. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring garden design ideas and practical tips. We love hearing from you, so please share your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and happy gardening!